Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this cool toned cottagecore gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, I'm going to begin with the base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. The colors that I'm going to be using today are Holo Taco Skipping Stones, Time After Time, and Touch Grass. I'm going to be doing a Skittle manicure with 2 gradient nails for each hand. I applied a little bit of latex to make the gradient cleanup easier, and then I've got a sponge that is about the length of my nail. Just gonna go ahead and start applying the polish and then dabbing it onto my nails. Once I'm done with cleanup, I'm going to finish with a top coat. I'm going to be using Seche Vite first, just to smooth everything out and dry it, and then I'll be adding matte top coat. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. When I initially got the Cottagecore collection as PR, I was thinking about doing a water marble, but then I decided to save that for Water Marble March since it's just around the corner. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial along with my thoughts on the rest of the collection, that's up now over on my VOD channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.